Hello guys, I'm Rosie from Zhenmei. We are the factory in Shenzhen. So this is our factory star products holographic transparency display. And this transparency display is pictures 3.91 up to 95% transparency, and it's 3 mm thickness, and the weight is so light too. You can see this picture is so clear, and it's useful indoor. It can use for the shopping mall and the store, the glasses. If you have any interesting for this display, you can find us our website www.zhenmeivision.com. Thank you.